Emitima gyammwe tegyeralikirilanga. Mukirize katonda nange munzikirize. Munyumba yakitange mulimu ebiffo bingi. Ebyokutulamu Singa, tekiri bwekityo, nange nandinagambye.
Let not your heart be troubled. Ye believe in God, believe also in me. In my Father's house are many mansions. If it were not so,
I would have told you. Yatusubiza nti agenda kudda tutwale. Naye ebyolunaku n'ekiseera teyabituwa. Titewali amaanyi bya lunaku luli na kiseera. Wankubadde bamalayika wadde omwana. Titewali amaanyi bya lunaku luli na kiseera. Okujjako kitawe omwana yamanyi ebyo. I go to prepare a place for you, and if I go and prepare a place for you, I will come again and receive you unto myself. That's where I am. They may be also. Tetumanyi lunaku na kiseera kye tulina okukola kwekulinda. Natumanyi ettuufu ntalidda. Katusabe atusange atutwale. Therefore keep watch, because you do not know what day your Lord will come. So you also must be ready, because the Son of Man will come at an hour when you do not expect him. Yatusubiza nti agenda kudda tutwale. Naye ebyolunaku n'ekiseera teyabituwa. Titewali amaanyi bya lunaku luli na kiseera. Wankubadde bamalayika wadde omwana. Titewali amaanyi bya lunaku luli na kiseera. Okujjako kitawe w'omwana yamanyi ebyo.
but about that day or hour no one knows, not even the angels in heaven, nor the Son, but only the Father. Jesus saith unto him, I am the way, the truth, and the life. No man cometh unto the Father but by me.
Tetumanyi lunaku na kiseera. Tetumanyi lunaku okukola kwekulinda. Katumanyi ettuufu ntalidda. Katusabe atusange atutwale. Therefore keep watch, because you do not know on what day your Lord will come. So you also must be ready, because the Son of Man will come at an hour when you do not expect him. Behold, he cometh with clouds, and every eye shall see him. Labateba balimbanga nti obali wano obali wali, kubanga kigamba tibuliriso lilimulaba.
And they also which pierced him, and all kindreds of the earth shall wail because of him. Even so, Amen.
Tetumanyi lunaku na kiseera. because the Son of Man will come at an hour when you do not expect him. So you also must be ready, because the Son of Man will come at an hour when you do not expect him. Tulinde, 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 acha kuja. Tulinde, 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 acha kuja.